If you've been scrolling through social media or browsing the web lately, chances are you've seen flashy ads for Ozemburn Max claiming to melt fat, crush cravings, boost energy, and make weight loss feel almost effortless. Sounds like a dream, right? But as with most things that sound too good to be true, I couldn't help but wonder, is this the next big thing in weight loss? Or just another overhyped supplement riding the wave of internet hype? So I took a deeper look, and what I found might surprise you. First off, the ingredients list is far from groundbreaking. Most of the components are common in dozens of other fat burners and so-called natural weight loss products. And there's very little hard science to back up their effectiveness in actually helping you shed pounds. The brand throws around buzzwords like natural and clinically tested, but that doesn't necessarily mean results. Then there's the website full of glowing 5-star reviews that feel way too generic and polished, and some of them even appear copied or bot-generated. Combine that with shady affiliate links and exaggerated before and after photos, and you start to question the integrity of the entire marketing strategy. They also claim things like FDA approved and GMP certified, which on the surface sound reassuring, but when you dig deeper, those claims are either misleading or completely misrepresented. For example, the FDA doesn't approve dietary supplements. They only regulate them under certain guidelines, so using that term is borderline deceptive. And despite all the bold promises, there's an eerie lack of honest, detailed customer feedback on reputable platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or Amazon. Most of the user reviews I came across were vague, overly positive, or suspiciously lacking in real details. It's not that Ozemburn Max is necessarily a total scam, but it doesn't live up to the hype either. If you're expecting a miracle pill to change your body overnight, this probably isn't it. At best, it might offer a tiny bit of help when combined with a strict diet and exercise routine, but it's far from a magic bullet. Bottom line, be cautious, do your own research, and don't let marketing tricks fool you into wasting your money on something that may not deliver real lasting results.